My name is Noonan. I am the service manager for Dow Honda. I came from the East Coast. I'm originally from Nova Scotia, and I've been with Honda for over about 15 years now. I love the brand. It's loyal to me. My father actually introduced me to the Honda brand. We had a 1977 Honda Civic station wagon. It was brown in color. I had Honda Civic 2007, 2011. I went to a CRV, and I presently own a 2017 Civic Touring. My day-to-day as a service manager, basically, I get here at 7 o'clock in the morning. I do my rounds, walk around the lot to make sure things up and running where it should be, make sure the lot's cleared and clean. I walk through the service bays to make sure the advisors' desks are all nice and clean and tidy, ready to go, make sure the computers are ready to go as well. And then I do my morning reviews of my calendar, what's coming up for the day, as well as what is scheduled. What I enjoy about Ottawa is it's a very clean city. Hiking trails, flea markets I go to. There's a lot of thrift shops, antique stores, which I very enjoy a lot. Drop in anytime, come see me. My name is Noonan. I'm the service manager at Dow Honda. I'm here from 7:30 to 5:30. I'm also available on the weekends sometimes. And I'm looking forward to seeing everyone that comes in.